Good morning and assalamu alaikum to all my students of class 5. I warmly welcome you back to the class, and today we are going to have the practice of mock test, plus we'll be discussing one of the chapter. Okay? You know that next week your examination, your final term examination are going to be held. So for that purpose, we have introduced mock test. Two mock tests would be conducted for social studies, right? Mock test 1 and mock test 2. Here in on your screen, you can see that your mock test 1 is having three of the questions. Question number 1 is matching columns. Question number 2 is answer in one word. And question number 3 is choose the best answer. That doesn't mean that you will be having three forms in your final examination as well. No, there would be more forms than three. Okay, but as I told you that mock tests are only for the practice, so that is why I have chosen to give you three forms, because you guys will be given limited time for attempting all the forms one by one. Okay, so the instructions which I shared yesterday and many of these teachers might have shared with you, that you will be given particular timing for each form, and all the forms will not be appeared at the same time. Okay, different forms would be appeared one after another, one after another. Okay, so at the same at a time you will be able to see only one form. You need to submit, you need to fill that form, you need to submit that form within given time slot. If you fail to do so, your response will not be counted at all. Okay, so is that clear to you guys? Should I open the forms here? No, Vaji, there would be no three questions in your final term. There would be more questions. Okay, as I told you, this is just your revision test, so that is why I have taken three forms for your practice. Okay, there would be more than three forms on the day of your paper, your online exam. Okay, so here I'm gonna share the form number 1 with you, that I have taken matching the column. Reason that why I have taken this one question for the practice, because you know that matching columns and answer in one word are the questions, are kind of questions which are new to you guys. Okay, so that is why we are supposed to practice them first. So here you can see, here I have written the instructions as well. Okay, so what you need to do, read the word carefully and choose the correct option. This is your mock test 1, question number 1, that is match the columns. It is not important that your final term paper would be having question number 1 as matching column. No, that is not important, or that is not so. Okay, uh, that might be another question, but whatever the question will be, you will be given proper and clear instruction for each form, and the instructions will be different from for different forms. For example, here I have taken matching columns, so that is why the instructions are according to this question, nature of question, right? So what you need to do, read the word carefully and tick the correct option. You have how many circles? You will be having 5 circles against each word, and you need to click the one which is under the right option. And if you fail to do so, your answer would be marked incorrect. Okay, and you know that you will be limited to one response. Okay, how you would know that how many forms are there in your final term examination? Here it would be written that it is form number 1 of 3. It means for the mock test, how many total forms are there? There are 3 total forms, right? So from which this is the first one. Likewise, on the day of your paper, you will be given the first form would be uploaded with complete information, with complete instructions, right? And there you will come to know that how many total forms are there. right? So here for the mock test there are three forms, and this is the first form from these three. These are so common for you, that email address and your name. Okay, here you will be given instruction for each question. For this you will be having 5 minutes and your marks are 5. Okay, so it would be uploaded on Monday at 10 o'clock, and you will be given 5 minutes for solving this question. If you fail to get online in this duration, you will not be able to attempt this form afterwards, right? Then you need to uh, beta Khizra, what kind of questions you ask, beta? If there is mock today, if I don't know whether you are having the mock of other subjects or not, you are not having the mock test for social studies today. I have told you that it is on Monday, and after class I would upload, I would just make a post on your Google Classroom where I would write your syllabus, your time, your date, your day on which your mock would be uploaded. Okay, so don't worry regarding this. If it is, yes, your paper would be started in May. Yes, every question will be having limited time period. बेटा खजरा 10:30 पे हम क्यों रखेंगे? I know that your mocks are scheduled. Okay, so at a time you cannot be given two mocks of two different subjects. It is so obvious. Okay, so don't worry for that. Okay, so yes, you will be given the limited time for each form. For suppose if you're having this form in front of you, that is matching column, you will be given 5 minutes for it. Okay, after 5 minutes, it means at 10:05, it this form would be disappeared and the next one would be appeared, and that would remain for more 5 minutes, right? So let's discuss about the question. You need to take your section. I told you yesterday that the students who are in class 5G, beta, they are strictly supposed to choose their section properly. They'll choose their section as 5G, no matter if they sit in 5A or B. If you're from 5G, you need to click, you need to tick G as your section. So this is the question in front of you. For the mock test one, you will be given the syllabus, which I would upload after the class. You will be given two chapters. Chapter number one, right? So what we're discussing? Yes, we are discussing about the chapters. You will be given two chapters for this. Chapter number one, sources of energy, and chapter number two, longitude and latitude. So here I have taken, yes. So beta, see, this is so simple. What are the instructions? Instructions are, you have been given 5 circles. How many circles? 5 circles against each word. Now you can see that hydroelectricity is a word, and you are given how many circles? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Right? Now from these 5, which option you're going to take over here? According to this word, hydroelectricity. What is matching with this word? Is hydroelectricity related to nuclear fuel? Is it related to parallels? Is it related to dams, oil, or meridians? What word should be suitable for this? No. Hydroelectricity, I told you a word. See, electricity is so simple. Everybody knows about the electricity, that what is it? Okay. Now the important thing here is hydro. I told you in the class that hydro means water. Hydro means water. I told this thing several of the times. Hydro means water. Okay, so the electricity which is produced by water. So with which word it should be related? It should be related to dams. Okay, very good, Iraj. It should be related to dams, right? For the petroleum, from these five, okay, see, we are going to take this one. Okay, बेटा सी many of the circles are there in front of you. अगर आप ज़रा सा ऊपर नीचे दाएं बाएं कोई गलत सर्कल पे टिक करते हैं तो वो रॉन्ग कंसिडर होगा. ठीक है, सो यू नीड टू बी वेरी केयरफुल. फॉर द पेट्रोलियम व्हाट वर्ड शुड बी सुटेबल? न्यूक्लियर फ्यूल, पैरेलल्स, डैम्स, ऑयल और मेरिडियंस. वेरी गुड बरीडा, very good, Iraj. So we know that there is an alternative word for the petroleum, that is the name of the petroleum as well, and uh, it is oil. So we are going to click like that. Then latitude. For the lines of longitude and latitude, you have been taught alternative names, if you remember. So do you remember what we called the lines of latitude? Lines of latitude का दूसरा नाम क्या था? Do you remember? That is, very good. That is parallels. When we talk about the lines of latitude, that is also called as parallels. Okay, and uranium. Uranium is it a meridian? Is it related to meridian? No, it is not related to meridian. Okay, so it's a nuclear fuel. So we are going to take this one. Then the longitude, when it is the last one, it is very simple to identify. जब एक लास्ट आपका मैचिंग कॉलम बच जाता है तो आपके लिए आसानी से उसको सॉल्व कर सकते हैं. आप कैसे? देखें, ये आप कर चुके, न्यूक्लियर फ्यूल वाला हो चुका, पैरेलल्स, डैम्स, ऑयल. अब बचा क्या है? मेरिडियन. ओके, ये एक ट्रिक है, बट यू नीड टू बी केयरफुल वाइल सिलेक्टिंग योर आंसर. ओके, क्योंकि इनमें से कोई गलत भी हो सकता है. जब तक आप सबमिट नहीं करते यू कैन चेंज योर आंसर, बट वंस यू सबमिट योर form you cannot edit it at all. Okay, so longitude are also called as lines of meridians. Is that clear? So this is going to be your question number. uh, Beta, if you took the wrong answer by mistake, so you can do it before submitting your form. For example, see here I mistakenly, if I mistakenly write this one, अगर मैंने पैरेलल्स की जगह यहाँ न्यूक्लियर फ्यूल लगा दिया, बिफोर सबमिटिंग माई फॉर्म आई कैन एडिट इट एनी वेयर. मैं इसे कहीं से भी एडिट कर सकती हूँ, मैं कहीं भी सर्कल बना सकती हूँ. ठीक है, गलती सही की जा सकती है बिफोर सबमिटिंग योर फॉर्म, सो यू कैन करेक्ट योर मिस्टेक. Okay, so this is why it is important to read the word carefully and check it again and again. You will be given the limited time. Okay, so you need to be careful for that, right? So choose the best answer. I'm not gonna share with you right now, that would be directly uploaded on Monday, because there is no need to practice question number 3, which is choose the best answer, because you have been doing uh, these this nature of question for for a year now. Okay, so you are familiar that how to do question number choose the best answer. That is so simple. So we are going to have another question here, that is choose the sorry that is answer in one word. hmm. So beta instructions for this is very important, and the most important instruction is Answer must be written in uppercase. Answer must be written in uppercase, that is capital or block letters. Many of the students get confused that what is uppercase, नहीं समझ में आता कि uppercase है क्या. तो यहाँ पर आप एग्जाम्पल दे सकते हैं. Here I have written a word that is world. ओके यहाँ मैंने वर्ड लिखकर बताया है दैट योर ईच लेटर, योर ईच अल्फाबेट शुड बी कैपिटल. योर ईच capital, your alphabet should be capital, your word should be written completely with capital words. Another important thing is that no punctuation should be used in any answer. No punctuation. For example, if you have written the word, for example, if you have written meridian, right? Meridian आपने लिख दिया है. After writing meridian, you have put the full stop. So your answer may be right, but that full stop is a kind of punctuation which will make your answer wrong. Okay, so there is no need to give any punctuation at all. Okay, and another important thing is that if you make spelling mistake, फिजिकल एग्जाम्स में क्या होता था, बहुत सारी स्पेलिंग मिस्टेक्स को मिलाकर आपके बहुत थोड़े से मार्क्स डिडक्ट किए जाते थे. बट दिस टाइम द रिजल्ट वुड बी मेड बाय कंप्यूटर, रिजल्ट वुड बी मेड बाय योर गूगल फॉर्म इटसेल्फ. सो द slight mistake in your spelling will lead your answer wrong, right? So आपको ये चीज़ ध्यान रखनी है. This is your form number 2 of 3 because here we are talking about the mock. ठीक है, जल्दी से इसे quickly discuss करते हैं. You will be given 5 minutes and total marks are 6. 5 minutes will be given and only 3 questions are there, 1, 2 and 3. But each question is having 2 points. Each question is having how many points? 2 points. So this is why you're having total marks as 6. 6 points are there. Okay, and you will be given 5 minutes for solving these 3 questions. You need to write your email, your name, your section. There are dash lines of longitude. अच्छा, यहाँ पर एक बात तो clear है that the word you are going to write would be written in capital alphabets, right? But some of the words are there. For example, here you need to write the number. There are dash lines of longitude on the globe. How many lines of longitude on the globe are there? There are. Let me see your answer in the chat box. Very good, Barida. Hmm. Very good, Khazra. Excellent. Yes, there are 360 lines of longitude on the globe. Now, see, if you write 360, let me write in front of you. अगर आप इस तरीके से लिखते हैं 360, ठीक है, तो ये हो जाएगा आपका रॉन्ग, क्योंकि the questions which require the number you need to write in the form of number. Why? Because if you write 360, so that would be like a sentence. ठीक है, ये एक बड़ा सा सेंटेंस बन जाएगा. आपने क्या करना है? आंसर इन वन वर्ड. यू नीड टू गिव योर आंसर इन जस्ट वन word. So that one word should be this 360. And when it comes on the number, so there is no capital, no small. Okay, तो जहाँ पर इस तरह की सिचुएशन आए, you do not need to be worried about that. You need to write the digits like you have written. There are 360 lines of longitude. अगर इसके बाद कॉमा लगा दिया या फुल स्टॉप लगा दिया या क्वेश्चन मार्क लगा दिया, that will make your answer wrong. You are not supposed to put any of the punctuation. Not a single punctuation should be used or put at all, right? So this is a kind of question where you need to write the digits, but here comes another question which needs alphabets. The starting point for measuring the latitude is, the starting point for measuring the latitude is Can you please tell me in the chat box? We are having two starting points. Very good, Barida. Excellent. Excellent, Malahim. Very good. Hmm. So that is equator. Equator serves as the starting point for the latitude. So अब equator किस तरीके से लिखना है? For example, if you make E capital but rest of the word you write small, so that would be considered wrong, because in instructions you have been told very properly that you need to write the answer in capital. ठीक है, तो एक चीज तो आपने यहाँ से सही कर लेनी है. Number two important thing, that Taha, your answer is right, but you have made a kind of spelling mistake in your word. For example, अगर आप equator को ऐसे लिखते हैं, you have put E instead of O. That is a spelling mistake, right? This spelling mistake can be considered in your physical exams, but it cannot be considered at all in your online exams, because आपका सारा जो रिजल्ट है वो ऑटो जनरेट है. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पर स्पेलिंग मिस्टेक भी आपके आंसर को yes. No, Taha, it is still wrong. You haven't put u after q. Okay, q. EQUATOR. yes, like this. अब ये जो आपने आगे like this लिखा है, इस तरह की कोई चीज़ें नहीं लिखनी है. Just one word answer. No two words are given. Okay. Here comes another one. The dash plants are produced by cow dung and human waste. Malahim, your answer is right, but you are not supposed to write like this. आप इस तरीके से नहीं लिखेंगे अगर ये एग्जाम में आता है तो. इक्वेटर इज राइट. बरीरा, इक्वेटर कहाँ पर? हाँ, इक्वेटर इज ऑल्सो राइट. नहीं, इक्वेटर ही राइट है. yes, so biogas would be written like this. I told you that मैंने इस तरीके के कोई क्वेश्चन ही आपको नहीं दिया होगा जिसमें गैप आ रहा हो. ठीक है, there would be only one word, so this would be written like this without any gap. और अगर आप बीच में ये बनाते हैं, so it comes like it is a kind of punctuation, तो वो भी नहीं लगानी है. ठीक है, so no word is given to you with such requirement, so it would be written like that, right? So this is how you need to attempt your mock test. That would be uploaded on Monday. So a few of the students have raised their hand. Let me ask their questions. Yes, Vaji, do you need to ask something? Yes, Arham.
मिस मोर कब है?
जी,
मोर कब है?
मॉक कब है?
यस मिस.
You are talking about the test, revision test.
यस.
Beta, that
Yes.
would be on Monday. That would be
Okay,
on
miss.
Monday,
Thank you.
10 o'clock. Okay,
Okay, miss. Thank you.
mute yourself. Yes, Vaji, you want to ask something?
आई वांट टू आस्क जेड इफ हमसे गलती से कोई एक गलत आंसर टिक हो गया तो क्या हम उसको दोबारा से सही कर सकते हैं या वो एक ही बार में करना पड़ेगा हमें?
Beta, the first thing is that you need to be very careful before writing your answer. कोशिश करें गलती हो ना, ठीक है, कोशिश करें. But
यस.
in case if you make mistake, you can edit your form before submitting it. ठीक है, जैसे कि मैचिंग
ओके.
कॉलम्स हमारे सामने था, मैंने आपको दिखाया दैट आई हैव क्लिक्ड ऑन वन सर्कल बट आफ्टरवर्ड्स आई चेंज्ड द आंसर, आई चेंज द सर्कल, राइट? एक पे से मैंने क्लिक हटा कर दूसरे पे टिक कर दिया. सो दिस कैन बी हैपन बिफोर सबमिटिंग दैट फॉर्म. उस फॉर्म को सबमिट करने से पहले बट आपके लिए क्यों इम्पॉर्टेंट है, क्योंकि समटाइम्स क्या होता है, द सेक्शंस आर मेड इन योर फॉर्म। ठीक है, तो जब आप एक सेक्शन से दूसरे सेक्शन पर जाते हैं तो वो पीछे वाला सेक्शन आप दोबारा से बाजुकात नहीं भी ला पाते। ठीक है, तो इस केस में इतना भी हमें इरेस्पॉन्सिबल नहीं रहना है कि बस जो गलती हो गई सो हो गई, विल गोइंग टू करेक्ट इट आफ्टरवर्ड्स। ठीक है, कोशिश करें वंस यू हैव डन योर आंसर, री रीड इट, check it again.
Okay, miss.
ठीक है, before going ahead. Yes, Ashir, you need to ask something. Vaji, mute yourself, beta.
Okay.
No, miss, I did not want to ask anything.
Okay, your hand is raised over here. Okay, is there any other student who has confusion? No. Okay, so okay, just wait. Okay, class. So here, I am having a video for you. Okay, so don't be panic if the voice is not clear or the screen is not clear, because sometimes it is about internet. Okay, तो इतना परेशान होने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, that is only for the revision. ठीक है, so we have learnt about the Mughal Empire. We have seen the how Mughal dynasty started and how it ended and for how many years it lasted. Okay, so here comes a video for you, but you can just let me know in the chat box if you are getting the voice properly.
Panipat in the year 1526 AD, where he defeated Ibrahim Lodi and established the Mughal Empire in India. Exactly after 30 years, in the same place, Akbar met the army of Hemchandra Vikramaditya, the commander.
ओके बेटा, जो स्टूडेंट्स अभी फ़िलहाल मुझे मैसेजेस कर रहे हैं उनकी वजह से ये वीडियो थोड़ी रुक रही है। ठीक है, सो इफ़ यू आर गेटिंग द वॉइस प्रॉपरली सो प्लीज़ लिसन टू इट।
in chief of Adil Shah and defeated him. Behram Khan was on the forefront in this battle. This was the second battle of Panipat in the year 1556 AD. As Akbar grew older, bit by bit, he took full control of the kingdom. Expansion of empire under Akbar's rule. Akbar was a sharp general and a great conqueror. He succeeded in building a huge empire from Bengal in the east to Sindh, Pakistan in the west, from Kabul, Afghanistan in the northwest, and Kashmir in the north, up to River Godavari in the south. This expansion was possible as he could earn the loyalty and trust of people. Akbar fought the Rajputs in North India. The Rajput chiefs who accepted his superiority were treated with respect. They were given posts in the army and made members of his court. Raja Todar Mal, Raja Man Singh, and Birbal were important ministers in his court. Akbar married few Rajput princesses. When he married Hindu princesses, their fathers and brothers became members of his court and were raised to the same rank as their Muslim counterparts. Jodhabai was his most famous queen. Akbar defeated the rulers of Malwa, Gondwana, Chittor, Ranthambore, Bihar, Gujarat, and Bengal. He treated all these rulers very well. However, the ruler of Mewar, Rana Pratap Singh, refused to accept Akbar as emperor and submit to his authority. In the famous battle of Haldi Ghati, Akbar's army, led by Raja Man Singh, fought with Rana Pratap's army. The Rana was defeated. Did you know? Rana's horse, named Chetak, is one of the most famous horses in history. Akbar as a ruler. Akbar was a fair, just, and able ruler. He was kind and treated his subjects well. He had set up an efficient administrative system. Akbar had divided his empire into subas. Each suba had a governor who was in charge of the administration. The subas were further divided into parganas. A pargana was a group of villages. Akbar often disguised himself and mixed up with the people to find out what problems his people were facing and if they were really happy. Birbal, who was known for his sharp wit, was one of the ministers who accompanied Akbar on these trips. Panipat, Shah Jahan.
Okay, so in that video which we just watched right now was about Akbar mainly. Okay, so I want you to recall a sentence from your book that we learned from the book that Akbar tried to reform his kingdom. He tried to reform his government. Okay, so that time the government was look not like that, like democracy kind of government was not there, but he made himself a kind of government where he made the subas, then parganas, and these kind of things were made. आजकल क्या होता है, like we are having the government which is having prime minister, president, and different hierarchy you can see over here. Okay, but that time जाहिर सी बात है ये वाली सारी चीज़ें उस वक्त नहीं थी, but he himself made a kind of criteria where he made different in charges for different areas, for different villages. This is how he tried to reform his government, and that is why he is thought to be the greatest Mughal among all. Okay, so the reasons for being the greatest includes he was made the king at the age of, what was the age? Can anybody please tell me in the chat box? Hurry a bit, we are having less than 1 minute. Come on, let me know that what was the age of Akbar when he became the king? No, Iraj, you have told one extra year. Yes, Barira, you're right. Very good. No, it is no. Akbar became the king at the age of, very good Khazra, at the age of 13. Okay.